Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Ocube. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to tie this simple round gele. If you are new here for the first time, please consider subscribing, and if you are returning, thanks for always coming back. So without much ado, let's get started with this tutorial. So I'll start by placing the tie on my client's head, then I'll pleat like 4 plates, then arrange to make sure it doesn't overlap one another. I'm just trying to arrange the plates. Just trying to form my plates actually, then I'm trying to pull the tie up so it doesn't really enter into her face. So I tell the client to hold one part while I start forming the plate at the other end. Then I carry to the back and cross the tie. So I'll carry the 30% of the tie like on top of where my last plate stopped and form some more plates with that part. So I'll carry it up like that and form some more plates like that. I'm just trying to form plates. See why I'm dragging it? I'll just form some plates like that. So when I get to almost the end, I'm just forming more plates with that aspect of the tie. See what I'm doing? So now I'll carry the longer aspect of the tie and put it on top of where my last plate stopped for the 30%. So now I'll just place it on top of where last plate actually stopped. I'll just start arranging my plates and forming the plates one by one. So I'm just see where I'm holding it. I'm just trying to just form the plates. I'm just arranging it to make sure the place does not actually overlap. So I'm just arranging, carrying it one after the other. Then I carry until I get to a back ear and to the end of the tie. Then immediately I get to the end, I will carry the other parts of the tie to the back. Then I'll try to tie. So I'm just trying to arrange the plate before after I tied it scattered a little bit. So I'm just trying to make sure the plates are well formed. So this is the end of this tutorial. Very short and easy. The very short is a portable round gele tutorial. So if you enjoyed the tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. So guys, this is the finished look. This is how the gele turned out. Very simple. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up. See you all in my next one. Bye.